Hello Tecla Insiders! In this video we will be teaching you how to navigate through the Kindle app using Tecla and a pillow switch. These instructions work for any iOS device and can be used to read for leisure. To begin, select the Kindle app. As you can see, the user can flip to the next page by pressing their switch anywhere on the screen. To learn how to flip pages on point scanning mode, please continue watching. To exit the page and look at other options, press your button lightly so that the text is highlighted. Then it will zoom out and begin to scan your page. Now I will show you how to skip chapters. It is easiest to do this by navigating through the table of contents. Find the table of contents as an option listed below the second icon at the top left corner of your screen. Select that, then select the fourth option from the top named Table of Contents. To select an option within this list, we will be changing scanning methods to point scanning, since item scanning can be difficult within this method. To do this, go back to the top left corner, but this time select the third icon. On the first page of selections, you will see point mode. For the purpose of this video, we will be reading Chapter 2. Please align your scanning lines so that they create a target on the screen. This target will make this selection. Thumbs up! You have navigated through chapters. To turn pages in point scanning, try to align your lines on the side of the page of which you would like to turn. Reading with point scanning can get annoying, so let's change it back to item mode. Just like as shown in the beginning, with a slight tap of the switch, it'll allow for a page turn. To conclude, I will show you how to leave the Kindle app. Simply double-click to see the selection options and press Home. Voila! Today you have learned how to read using the Kindle app with Tecla and a pillow switch. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe below.